Hello.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you. Good,
Nice to
good.
meet
My
you.
name's Daniel.
Yeah.
I'll
From
I'll introduce myself quickly. My name is Daniel. I'm born and raised in the United States,
Mhm.
and I'm from the city of Miami. Have you ever heard of the city Miami?
Miami and no,
Oh, don't worry. But I'm currently living in a country called Cambodia. Have you ever heard of the country Cambodia?
South Asian country.
Huh?
South Asian country.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, next to Vietnam and Thailand in Southeast Asia.
Laos.
So what's your name and where are you calling from?
I'm Noor Mohammed from South India.
Okay,
Currently
perfect.
living in Dubai,
What part of South India?
in Tamil Nadu.
Ah, in Dubai now. Okay.
How
So
is today?
I like to let right away know that you're the boss.
Yeah.
So anything you want to do, I'll do it. If you want to practice talking, do you want to go over the material?
Today we will talk with conversation.
Oh, perfect.
The
Conversation. Okay, good.
conversation.
I saw the material, so I was like, oh, let's start
Yeah.
fast.
The every conversation we built a new link. Conversation is the fascinating things.
That's
Conversation is
true.
open the door. Yeah. Conversation make a war. Conversation make a peace.
Exactly.
Just we talk.
That's good. I always tell people children learn a new language, not because they go to school. They learn a language just by talking. In school, you improve your language, but you learn how to talk when you're a kid. So conversation goes a far way in the
What are you
language.
doing in Cambodia? Are you working in teacher or
Yeah, so I was working. Well, the truth is, my wife and I, we love to travel and live in other
mm-hmm.
countries. So we used to live in South America, Central America, North
Mm-hmm.
America, and we were like, before we go somewhere else, let's try Asia. So we went to Singapore, Malaysia, Korea, Cambodia, and my idea was to teach English at a school, but as you know, Corona, so it's really hard to
You are
teach
a
anything
traveler,
now.
world traveler. You are a
Repeat that?
world traveler.
Oh, not a world. I've never been to Europe or Africa, so
Have to plan next.
but the next plan, well, the only country I can
Mm-hmm.
go to now, and I can live there for a while without problems, is Turkey. So I think I'm moving to Turkey.
Next plan too.
That's my next plan. So I think I'm going to Turkey. I can live there for a year. I don't. Have you seen America? America looks crazy right now. I don't want to go to America.
Now is the increase the corona pandemic. How is there in Cambodia the coronavirus pandemic?
It's actually very nice. A lot of people here in the city I'm in. There's no cases of
Now better there.
corona. I have a friend. I have a friend who's a doctor. And what did you say?
Is
Sorry.
now better in the corona pandemic in Cambodia controlled.
Oh, it's good. It's really good. Restaurants are open, gyms are open. People aren't getting sick, so there's not a lot of cases of coronavirus here in Cambodia.
What about in your country, in home country in UK? Are you from US? Na? Ah,
U.S. Yeah. So I'm from Florida, and Florida is the worst area in the world right now. So I don't want to go back to the U.S. for that. Imagine Florida's number one when it comes to corona in the world right now. So how about you? I mean, I heard South India is
yeah,
beautiful. Are you from the beach?
yeah, beach side. Are you like the beach side or mountains?
What's the
When you travel the for another countries in foreign countries,
beach? Because I'm from the beach. So the beach is very
mm-hmm.
special to me. It's home. Mountains are beautiful. They look amazing, man, but nothing beats a good beach.
You haven't visit in Brazil.
Yeah, I lived
How
in
is
Brazil.
there?
Almost a year.
Which city you lived in Brazil?
It was a city in Rio de Janeiro, so in the not the capital, but in one of the big cities
Mm-hmm.
called Rio. and it was so in Rio. So people, it could be confusing because Rio de Janeiro, is the state, and also the capital city of
Mm-hmm.
Rio is Rio de Janeiro. So Rio de Janeiro is the state, but the biggest city in Rio is called Rio de Janeiro. But I lived in a city in Rio de Janeiro called Macaé, and Macaé was like 1 to 2 hours away from Rio de Janeiro, where the big Jesus Christ, the cross, the famous
Yeah,
big cross over the city,
I know, I
the
know.
statue. So like 2 hours away from that.
You working there or just to travel in Brazil?
I was working, I was teaching English, but my whole thing is that I was traveling. So I lived there for a while teaching English. Beautiful
Mm.
country. If you ever want to, are you planning to go to Brazil,
Just
or
ask
would
you.
you ever like? No, no, it's a beautiful country. The beaches are beautiful, but the water's cold. That's the one thing.
What's your favorite place in so far?
So I don't compare. Everywhere
Everyone's.
you go is different.
Uh,
It's, it's that's a good question you asked, by the way. And they get asked that a lot, but everywhere, everything's different. Some places, the people are so nice that the place might not be nice, but you just fall in love with the people. Do you understand
yeah.
what I mean? And some places might be super nice, but the people are kind of like stuck up or mean or not nice, so you don't appreciate it that much. So it's different. But one area I loved is Argentina. I loved Argentina. Argentinian people are very fun, outgoing, crazy. So I always like Argentinian people.
What do you think about next to the corona pandemic? Then fear and fear of the future, anesthesia, the worry about the future. The people lose the job and lose the economics. We want to travel all over the world. What about thing next?
So what do I think is going to be the next bad thing that's going to happen in the world?
Fear of the future. This in this current scenario is the corona, the virus pandemic is going on. This lose the job, everything is losing.
I think the economy is going to hit hard. So all around the world, um, I think I feel that probably the best areas to live in is like probably small towns, because you're in Dubai and Bombay, right?
No, I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
No, no. Where are you
Now
now?
currently in Dubai, Middle
Dubai.
East.
Oh, Dubai. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I understood the
Dubai,
Bombay. Yes. Oh, okay.
Middle East.
Dubai. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, you're in a nice country. I almost went to
You
Dubai.
traveled in Middle East. You have been traveled
Yeah,
Middle East.
because no, I've never been to Dubai, but I almost went because
When the traveling, the
um
connecting,
so I'm yes, so I'm gonna be in Dubai for like 2 hours
you
because I'm
stay in
going
the
to
airport.
Turkey. But I would, yeah, but I wanted to actually go out and travel Dubai.
Yeah,
Is it a nice
yeah,
country?
nice. Come and visit.
So countries like Dubai, I think they have a good economy, and it's a wealthy
Yeah,
country. So if the economy drops, there'll still be some movement in
this is
there.
a
But
Middle East
poor
hub,
cities, I
the
think,
economic hub in Dubai, the gateway of the Middle East.
yeah. So like for example, if you're in a big city and it's not a wealthy city, I think that's going to be hard. But I think the best people are people who live in small areas, who have farms, or have a nice community, like how people help each
Mm.
other. I don't know how the south of India is.
Yeah, nice people. You
Are
come and
people
visit
like do,
in Chennai, Bangalore, and Trivandrum in Kerala, the hillside. Lot of places that tourist.
and they like to help each
Yeah,
other, right? So like if you know of a family that
yeah.
doesn't have
The
food,
people
but
know
they
very
might
well
have
normally know speak the understand the English. You can come and visit enjoy South India.
my wife she's dreaming to go to India. We want to go to India, but just because of Corona, everything
Yeah,
got
after you come
complicated
and
for us
visit,
now.
it's better.
Yeah. But you're in a good area now. Dubai's better than India
Yeah,
for right now because of
I think
Corona,
Dubai is
right?
better than now is better control the coronavirus in India is number in increase now 10 lakhs numbers is going rise up day by day. Very worst the fourth place of the world. The Brazil, US, now
So
is India. Are you hearing?
yeah, but I mean, being in Dubai, it's better,
Yeah.
right?
Now is almost controlled. Everything open. Office and industrial and park, the beach. Some social distance is maintenance.
Remember, keep just talking and talking. All right,
Thank you.
bye.